Hi guys, in this video we will replace the brake discs. First of all, we unscrew the bolt on the brake disc and remove the discs. If you don't have this bolt, nothing will come off it. The better will be if you find a bolt and unscrew it into the place. And after we disassemble the brake calipers, they are attached here with two bolts, and twist them and remove the caliper. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Remove the caliper to the side so as not to damage the brake hose. Friends, then we check the brake disc for wear. If the thickness of the disc is minimal, then they will need to be replaced. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.